How to transfer ownership of Telegram group. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer ownership of Telegram group. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Telegram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version and now open the Telegram application on your device. Now, in order to transfer ownership of Telegram group, open the group conversation that you created. I will open this group here. Now, once you have opened the group, tap on the group name on the top of your screen. You'll be led to the interface from where you can make changes to your group. As you can see here, I am the owner of the group, and now to change it, tap on the edit button on the top right of your screen. At the bottom, you will see the option for administrators. Tap on that. You will then see the option for add admin. Tap on that and go ahead and select the group member you want to make the admin now. In here, go ahead and toggle on the required toggle buttons and tap on the done option. Now, as you can see, the group member just appeared as admin and not as owner. So, as of now, you cannot actually transfer the ownership in Telegram. However, you can make them the admin. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.